Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports dual SIM and the slot types. This prevents damage. Power off the device, eject the tray, and seat SIM1 and SIM2 in their designated slots. Observe orientation marks. Once done, boot the phone and open Settings, the Network or SIM Manager. The system will detect both cards. Make sure to label each line so you can recognize them later, because clear labels simplify call and data routing. Once both SIMs are active, go to SIM settings and assign defaults. Choose which SIM handles mobile data and which handles calls or messages. This controls billing and speed. You can also set per contact SIM overrides so frequent contacts use a preferred line. That helps manage costs. Make sure APN settings are correct if a carrier doesn't auto-configure, and enable roaming selectively for each SIM. Then test. Place a call and load a web page to confirm voice and data behave as you configured. To finish, actively manage each SIM. Enable usage alerts and data limits for the line carrying mobile data, because this prevents unexpected charges. If a SIM fails to appear, power down and reseat it, try swapping slots and reboot. If problems persist, test the SIM in another phone to isolate the fault. Make sure to toggle airplane mode to reset radios and accept carrier updates when prompted. If none of that works, contact your carrier for a replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.